Hello everyone, welcome to TradeLyser's How To series. In this video, you're going to see how to sync your old trades, the history of trades, if you want to get into TradeLyser and see the metrics and insights about those trades. In the previous episodes, we have seen how to add a broker account and how to sync the trades for the current day. In this video, you're going to see the history of trades Singapore. To start with, go to the account section. You can go to the management accounts where the account is active. You need to make sure that the account has been connected and the token is valid. Click on the action section and there is an option called sync history. This section we can select the date range to which you want to sync the trades. I'm planning to go to 2024 and I'll take from 1st of May till end of June. We have provided the 60-day window period to make sure that the syncs are happening properly, because we have pro traders who have been syncing with thousands of records on a daily basis. So to make sure the APIs are not being overused or limited, we are giving a 60-day period to sync the trades. You can go with multiple 60 days and it is going to fetch and process the data. If you can see here, the processing is started. The sync history you can able to see, and all this 29 trades has been processed and orders has been processed, and we have 12 trades that has been generated. You can go back to the account section and go to the last 5 years of the data, and you can able to see the metrics and all the data related to the trades what has been synced available over here for your analysis. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next episode. Thank you.